There are over 50 named productivity systems, but only 5 have stood the test of time and scale. 80% of productive people use elements from at least 2 of these systems combined. David Allen's GTD is the grandfather of modern productivity. Capture everything, clarify next actions, organize by context, review weekly, engage with confidence. Best for people who manage lots of incoming commitments and need an airtight capture system. Tiago Forte's PARA organizes information by actionability, not topic. Projects are active, areas are ongoing, resources are references, archives are inactive. Best for digital knowledge workers drowning in information. Nicholas Luhmann's system creates a network of atomic, interconnected notes. Each note contains one idea and links to related notes. Best for researchers, writers, and anyone who creates original work from accumulated knowledge. August Bradley's PPV connects life vision to daily actions through Notion databases. Pillars, pipelines, and Vault focuses on life areas, active workflows, and stored knowledge. Both are best for system builders who want comprehensive life management. I made a free quiz in the description that helps you pick the right system based on your work style. Take it and let me know your result in the comments.